खुशी है कहाँ?
Silence speaks 1,000 words. This belongs to the millions being forcibly silenced. NDTV and Vedanta have launched a nationwide campaign in dynamic support of the cause of the girl child, rapidly disappearing from our census count. Battling rampant infanticide, feticide, gender bias, abuse and violence, their survival rate remains bleak. The campaign has decided to concentrate on the cause of girls in the 0 to 5 years age bracket, concentrating on nutrition, education, health and fundraising.
Really want to prosper, if you really want to make our nation great, no child, especially the girls, to be deprived of food, education and the health.
We are one of the youngest countries in the world, and our children are our future, and the girls are a very important part of that.
The key is men are the problem, women are the solution.
Join the movement, lead our girls to a safe future and a future that secures their voice.
Hello and welcome. This is NDTV Vedanta, Our Girls, Our Pride campaign kicking off in its first leg. Over the course of this episode, we'll be bringing you stories, opinions and people from across the country lending their voice to this campaign. Currently, we are here in the national capital where hundreds of students have gathered, picked up their painting brushes and will be expressing through this form of art. So let's go straight to where the action is.
The Select City Walk was agog with activity. As part of the Our Girls, Our Pride campaign, a motley crew of artists from various art institutions had gathered to put forth their views through their art on this burning issue. Joining them, a host of children from some of Delhi's top schools and NGOs. If the cues were anything to go by, we knew that this was going to be a whole lot of fun. The atmosphere was electric, and the kids and artists alike had their creative hats on. In their honest endeavour, they had some serious support from some of the bigwigs of the world of fashion and art, including designer Leena Singh and artist extraordinaire Anjali Elamenan.
Well, yet another beautiful painting and those beautiful strokes being coming across, yet another inspirational work here, where we are encouraging more and more people to come out, talk about the issue of the girl child, talking about how our daughters really are our pride. And joining me is someone very, very special, yeah, Anjali. Aren't you really enjoying this entire atmosphere?
This is amazing, such a vibrant atmosphere and so much energy.
Yeah.
And I think it's a wonderful initiative. We have hung our heads in shame internationally because the ratio is so bad.
I wanted to talk to you about that. You know, Delhi has always been known, when December 16 gang rape happened, everybody came out on the streets, everybody was talking about what needs to be done. Perhaps this is the first step. Procure the child at the womb, respect the child, respect the girl child there, and that's where perhaps you can take it forward from there.
Yes, unfortunately there's a lot in our own scriptures that are not very good for our gender understanding. Many of our heroines have been treated badly in the scriptures. But I think we have to break those old taboos and look into the future, because girls are doing so well.